In this first line of code, we're creating a new instance of the headers class. This will allow us to add custom headers to our request. Custom headers are often required for additional metadata like content type or API keys. Here, we use the append method on our headers instance to add a content type header. Setting it to application, JSON is crucial when the server expects JSON data. Now, we're using the Fetch API to make our web request. Fetch is a modern interface that allows you to make HTTP requests to servers from web browsers. We're specifying the HTTP method to be used with the request. In this example, it's a GET request. However, this could also be a POST, PUT, DELETE, or any other HTTP method supported by the server. Here we're attaching our custom headers to the request. It's how the Fetch API knows what headers to include in the HTTP request. By setting credentials to include, we're specifying that the browser should send credentials like cookies and authorization headers along with the request, even for cross-origin calls. This closes our Fetch request configuration object. Once we receive the response, we're using the JSON method to convert the response body into a JavaScript object. This is assuming the server responds with JSON content type. Next, we take that JavaScript object and log it to the browser's console. This is a way to inspect what data we got back from our request. Lastly, our catch block here is used for error handling. If any part of our request or response processing fails, we log the error to the console. This is crucial for debugging.